Hey, I'm Mikey B.
I'm Val, level 3, classics.
We did a couple of fun ones. We did sailor kicks and the corridor kicks. Corridor. All right, so the first one is sailor kicks. 5, 6, 7, and rock step, kick, and down. Kick and kick and kick and kick and rock step. Yeah? I'll do that with counts. Remember, we want to think this is circular at the beginning. We have the circular rock step, which goes into the circular turn.
And you turn your forward before you do that whole deal.
Right, she's really staying there in the place, and I am moving to her side here. Okay? Do that here. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. There you go. Here's the sailor kick. Going right into the corridor, Charleston. Rock step, kick, pitch, kick, step, kick, pitch, kick, step, kick, pitch, kick, step. And did it over and over again. So we're thinking we're starting this more opening side by side. Rock step, we're going in the line, and we're offering that hand. We're going to keep this double handle as we do this. And we're trying to lay this out. Boom, bah. Our upper body is really trying to stay facing each other while our kicks are laying it out and hitching. Pitch and kick. Over and over and over.
And we talked about how leads, they kind of stay there, and follows, they are thinking about keep going, unless they're convinced otherwise.
That's right.